Last month, OnePlus launched two mid-ranger, which are the Nord 2T 5G and Nord CE2 Lite 5G with a starting price of $1199. The Nord 2T comes with a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with 90Hz of refresh rate, MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset, up to 12GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, and is powered by a 4500 mAh battery that supports 80W Super Volt. It also supports a 32MP selfie snapper and a triple rear camera setup of 50MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP mono lens camera. On the other hand, the Nord CE2 Lite features a 6.59-inch display with up to 120Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and a 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W Super Volt. Also, it comes with a 60MP selfie snapper and a triple rear camera setup of 64MP main camera, 2MP depth sensor, 2MP macro lens camera. So which variant would you go for, the Nord 2T or the Nord CE2 Lite? Don't forget to let us know in the comments below. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and ciao, bye!